Hello. So I caught myself trying to sleep in this morning. I don't even know what time it is. That just consisted of me tossing and turning because, yeah, I can never go back to sleep. I really just wanted to enjoy some rest. But I figured I'd get up and I look tired. I look horrible. I figured I'd get up and run some errands. I have so much to do. It's Tuesday. Friday night, I'm leaving for 2 months. And I need to do stuff like my hair, like not just wash it and throw some twists in it. Like I have to actually do it so I can put in a protective style for at least 6 weeks, I hope. I need to wash clothes. I have some packages that refuse to be delivered because the call box to get into the building is broken. That's stressful. Like, and I need this stuff. I need to go to Walmart to pick up some stuff for a campaign again. I need to go pick up a package from like 20 minutes away because they couldn't get in. And I have another package that I'm just going to have to get them to leave outside. And I hope that they do it. And I hope that no one steals it. What else do I have to do? That doesn't sound. And then I have work to do from my LA trip. And I need to edit day two's vlog. I have a lot to do. I also need to pack. I feel like I can wait until Thursday to pack because I'm probably going to wait to wash then as well. But there's some stuff I can start packing that I'm not going to wear. This is not as bad as, I need to get my taxes done, hopefully. I need to go get my nails done. I'll probably wait to do that Friday since I'm not leaving until the night. I wanted to get a wax. Can't make that happen. That's it. Those are the must-dos, and hopefully I can knock at least like 70-80% of them out today. So let me get my shirt on because I'm semi-dressed and head out. Back from Walmart and like running little errands. They did not have what I needed, which is so frustrating. They're like fully in stock of everything else but the one product that I need. Let me show you guys my shoes that I got. I got some Teva sandals that I was hoping would come in time for my trip, and they technically did, but I was out of town for 4 days, and they tried to deliver it once and then sent it to like this drop-off location. Not even a UPS drop-off, but like it was a dog store. And then I didn't buy these, I was sent these. Some Becca eye stuff. So that is under eye primer. Here's brightening setting powder. I may never use that. And some brightening corrector. I think this primer is supposed to help with puffiness, so I might try this right now. But let me show you guys my shoes. Here are the Becca goodies. Are my Tevas. Try these babies on. I hope they fit. I have a hard time. I have a super hard time gauging what size I wear because I never wear the same size in anything. Like I'll wear a 6.5, then a 7, then a 7.5. And so here they are. I was so mad that afterwards I was looking at these again online after I was waiting for them to come, and they had a $70 pair that was on clearance for like $40. They were purple. Purple's my favorite color, but I do have too many purple shoes. Well, I guess now I have 2 pair. I threw the other 2. No, I donated them. Donated the other 2 pair away. And so I really do need the black and white, but these were $50. If I could have got another pair for $10 cheaper, I would have. So yeah, let me try these on. They're a 7. They didn't come in half sizes, so I'm pretty sure they'll fit. Definitely need a pedicure. Don't judge me going to get one on Friday, but they fit. Okay, I'm about to prop you guys up because I wanted to try this Becca under eye anti-fatigue primer, blah blah blah. And I'll actually put the link in the description box in case you guys want to try it. Everything is, I'm putting you guys in the what do you call this? I haven't had one in so long. The medicine cabinet. Now I actually, geez, this is hard. I usually can just throw you guys in here and prop you up. All right. I don't even know how much to put. Wow, that can't be enough. This is such cute packaging. I'm literally about to just scoop my nail in here and this should be enough. Like, these bags are here every day, no matter how much sleep I get. I just don't understand. I don't know enough about skin and especially under eye. Like, I have all the moisturizers in the world for my face. I actually do have this gel type stuff for my eyes that I stopped using. It was just a hassle. And I never know if it's making a difference. All right. They're like enhanced, if nothing else. Oh, I look like somebody punched me in my eye. Oh my God. Wouldn't it be like hell if I had an allergic reaction to this? Which I don't have. My skin is sensitive, but it's not that sensitive. Like, I don't break out from things or bruise. All right, I guess now we wait. Anti-fatigue, anti-fatigue under eye primer, base contour. We'll see. Hopefully it does a little something, something. I don't know. Thank goodness I don't have like dark circles under my eye yet, but I do know probably as I get older, that may happen. Kind of runs in my family. Or maybe that's just it comes with age thing. Why is this eye so puffy compared to the other? It literally looks like somebody punched me in my face. Did I punch myself? That's very weird, but I thought I felt a cooling sensation. I'm like, oh, it's working. All right. I'm going to come back later and we'll see if this changed. You guys will know before I do by looking at this if you see a difference. I feel like if anything, my eyes look worse right now. Oh my God. All right, we'll see. When I went to Walmart yesterday, I only got one product. I should have gotten two, even though I only need one for the campaign, but they wanted me to feature another. So I forgot it. Have to go back out today hunting and hoping that they in my grocery store have the second product, so I don't need to go out of my way to the other one. And as usual, I look like I'm tired as hell, because I am. So I promise you guys are not going to see me with these puff balls after today. I'm going to wash my hair today. I don't think I need to leave back out the house. Unless I take that stuff back to Walmart. I was like walking there thinking about the fact that I hate when I watch YouTubers and literally all they do is like go to Walmart all day or Target or Best Buy. It's like I'm turning into one of those people. But at least I needed these products for my for work. So yeah. So I want to say that's my only errand that required me to leave the house today. I'm starting to get a little anxious, partly about all the stuff I have to do and partly about my trip that I have coming up. And for some reason, no matter if I'm going to be gone for like a month or for 3 days, I'm trying to prop you guys up. But no matter how long I'm going to be gone, I'm starting to get anticipatory anxiety. I saw that phrase somewhere last week and I'm like, yes, that is it. But like knowing something is coming up, I just get really, really anxious. And like today I left out, then my mom texted me about the fob to get in the building saying that she left it. And I'm like, where did you leave it? Because I don't have it. And she ended up having it. But I'm like, flustered about that, and then I realized once I get all the way back here and get the fob from her that I don't even have my keys. Like I just set up my appointment to get my taxes done. I'm going to go all the way out there tomorrow to do that. That's like over an hour away on public transportation. I was so ready. I haven't had a car in a little over a year. I was so ready to give it back that I gave it back like 2 months early. And now these last 2 days, out of all this time, these last 2 days, I'm like, what I wouldn't do for a freaking car. Like, I want to say, once I'm like on that plane, I'll be good. But right now I'm just, there's so much to do. I ended up packing. I packed mostly everything. I need to put toiletries in there and then wash clothes and put like panties in my suitcase and pajamas. But I just need to wash and throw those last little bit of things. But for the most part, I've packed because I wear the same thing all the time. I'm not gonna take these sweatpants, but I tend to, no matter where I am in life, like when I was at work, I will wear kind of the same things every week. So that's how I can pack so light and just leave things, because even though I may want to bring like my thigh high boots, if I wear those, I'm gonna wear those once, so they don't need to come. It's really easy for me to like just leave stuff. But back to the anxiety. I'm feeling better now. I've made my tax appointment. I've created the content surrounding that Walmart product, posted it on Instagram, submitted the picture. What else do I need to do? I'm waiting for another package that they did not even bring again yesterday. They require a signature, didn't leave it at my door, even though I was out of town on Monday when they first brought it. Waited around all day yesterday for them to bring it. Even left the thing out there saying, please leave it at the door. And I don't think they came. So hopefully they bring it today, because I need this to go on my trip. I would like it today so I can sample it and immediately write about it versus having to wait until a month from now. I'm going to be honest, it's a menstrual cup. And so I need it right now so I can use it. And instead of waiting until the next time, I'll need it. So yeah, that is something. What else? I made my nail appointment for Friday, and I ended up cutting my nails. I like my nails really, really short, but I have been trying to grow them out a little bit so that they can shape them how I want them when I go. They can clip them and shape them when I go. And just traveling, I've just been breaking them in ways you wouldn't imagine. Not just a little chip, but like hitting my nail on my suitcase, or like trying to ram it into the overhead bin, and they just were looking jacked, so I had to cut them all the way down, which I prefer anyway. I was just going to get the nail shop to do this. So I'm finally going to get a mani and pedi for the first time since October, I think. Maybe even September. I think September was the last time I got a mani pedi. Couldn't get my wax. Now you know why. So I think that's it. Aside from packing, I have a long list regarding packing, taxes, campaigns. I need to wash my hair, and then tomorrow I need to do my hair. I'm going to put Havana twist in again. So, yeah. But in regards to this is why I turned my camera on. This is crazy. I always do this. So in regards to like the campaign I had to do, I did it yesterday, realized I forgotten the product, and then I just ended up redoing it completely again today. Instead of just taking a picture of the packaging, I just redid it. And that reminded me of something in one of my blogger groups, and probably several people think this, but a lot of people recommend like writing out your blog post and then completely deleting it, erasing it, and starting over. And I've lost work before, so I've had to do that, and I'm like, well shit, this has come out better than it was before. So I understand the thought behind it. And technically that's what I had to do today. And I don't know, last night, I'm in bed, slightly anxious, and by slightly, I mean very anxious, just thinking about everything I have to do today. And I'm thinking about how I could have done it better, the stuff that I photographed yesterday. How I could have done it better, what I would do differently, thinking about my caption and stuff. So technically, I did nix the stuff that I did before and had to start from scratch. So if you are a blogger out there, or even if you are a content creator and you record videos, because that's also a thing, like you record a video and then you realize it's shit, and then you have to record it again, and you know everything you want to say, you can say it a little more effortlessly, and yeah, it's better the next time. So that's like a little tip. If you're trying to get into blogging, or you write something and you're not satisfied with it, my recommendation, literally erase it and start over from scratch. So let me know if that's something that you do. I think I don't know if I can do it with my blog posts, because I like put thought into those, and I'm already thinking about them so far in advance. Like just me going on my next trip, I know exactly how I want to structure my posts. I'm like really hungry. I'm about to go. I know exactly how I want to structure my posts. I know the angle that I want to come from. I know what I want to include. So I'm not going to do that and then delete it and then do it over. I don't know. It depends on how long it is. If it's like a 300 word post, it's a good technique. 300 to 500 word. But I'm going for like the 1,000, 1,500 words. And we're not deleting and starting over. So yeah. Food for thought. I'll see you guys in a little bit. My neck is killing me. Still trying to get this FedEx package. Good morning, guys. Let me take a picture of this. So, I was just supposed to wash and blow dry my hair tomorrow. Today. And no, I was supposed to wash and blow dry it yesterday and then twist it up today. But I ended up twisting it because my mother was like, well, how long do you think it'll take you? And then I just started twisting. So definitely have to go get another pack of hair because I have literally 3, maybe 4 more twists to do. I'm about to take something back to Walmart, maybe stop over there and get the hair, or maybe I'll get it when I come back because I'm going to do my taxes today. Oh, my neck is killing me. So you'll probably see me looking bored at the tax place.
This is a Blue Line train to Franconia Springfield. The next stop is Addison Road, Seats Pleasant.
So I think it's like 7 p.m. I just ate, so like that was the first time that I got to sit down all day, aside from like being on the train or the bus and then driving. Like I just had to go and get the package that I've been waiting for. I finished packing, I washed. I want to say I packed more than I'm comfortable with in my suitcase. After this flight, I'm going to be checking it because Europe's liquid laws are weird and I don't want to throw away anything. Like, I brought stuff that I may not bring back home, but I want to have while I'm there since I'll be gone for 2 months. And it's still not even a lot of stuff, but it's too much for Europe. So yeah, I may look through my suitcase one more time to make sure I'm not taking anything that I'm definitely not gonna wear, which I bet I am, but we'll see. There's one pair of shoes that they're like taking up space, but I'm gonna try and wear them like once a week. But yeah, I literally just came in here. I'm like watching my 600-pound life with my mom, and like, so I came here to close this out. I'm still thinking about this luggage, like how could I decrease? And then I finished my hair. It was this little patch that I still needed to do. Ooh, do I want that shirt? This is hard. This is hard. I'm gonna leave it. I don't need it. There's like, there's this denim button down that I'm looking at, and it's like, I would like to take that. I'm gonna look at that suitcase one more time tomorrow, but yeah. The next time I see you guys, I will be probably at the airport or on the way to the airport. See you guys tomorrow.
I get it how I live it. I live it how I get it. Come the motherfucking digits. I pull it with a lemon. Not cause she ain't living. It's just your eyes get acidic. And this ain't a scrimmage. Motherfucker, we ain't finished. I told you we won't stop. A nigga by the business. Like yours, but you rent it.